Have you ever noticed how some gardeners always seem perfectly in sync, planting at just the right time, harvesting at the ideal moment, and achieving results that look almost effortless? It may seem like luck, but it's not. It all comes down to timing, and May is one of the most crucial periods in the entire gardening season. The soil has warmed, the threat of frost is nearly gone, and plants finally have the conditions they've been waiting for. But here's what many people don't realize. Plant the wrong crops in May, and you lose valuable time. Plant the right ones, and your garden surges with growth. Today we're going to explore 7 seeds you should plant in May if you want quicker growth, stronger plants, and a far more productive harvest. These aren't random choices, these are crops that perform best when planted right now. Let's begin. 1. Pumpkins. Pumpkins are a crop that requires patience, space, and time, and May is when their journey should begin. They rely heavily on warmth. Pumpkin seeds need consistently warm soil to germinate successfully. If planted too early in cool or damp conditions, they often remain inactive or fail altogether. But by May, the soil has warmed enough to provide ideal conditions. Once they begin growing, they don't rush, but they continue steadily. At first, the seedlings appear small and unremarkable, but soon they begin to spread. Long vines extend outward across the ground, often covering a surprisingly large area. Their broad leaves create dense coverage, forming a natural layer over the soil. That's why space is essential. Pumpkins are not compact plants. They need room to expand and develop fully. When given enough space, they form a thick canopy that helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. As the plant matures, large golden flowers begin to appear. These blooms are short-lived but vital. Each one has the potential to become a pumpkin, but only if pollination occurs. Bees play a key role here, transferring pollen between flowers and enabling fruit development. Then comes the transformation. Small fruits begin forming at the base of the flowers. At first, they seem insignificant, but over time they grow steadily, becoming larger, heavier, and more defined with each passing day. Pumpkins are a lesson in patience. Unlike fast-producing crops like beans or zucchini, they develop slowly. Instead of producing many small harvests, they focus on growing a few large, impressive fruits. As summer transitions into autumn, their color deepens, shifting from green to rich shades of orange. Caring for pumpkins is simple, but consistency matters. They need regular watering, especially during fruit development, and benefit from nutrient-rich soil. If the vines become too crowded, you can gently guide them to manage their growth. But pumpkins offer more than just a harvest. They create anticipation. From a small seed planted in warm May, soil grows something bold, seasonal, and deeply satisfying, a crop that reflects the natural rhythm of the garden. Plant them in May when you begin a slow, rewarding process that leads to one of the most iconic harvests of the year. 2. Parsley may not always attract attention, but it is one of the most practical and dependable plants you can grow, and May is the perfect time to plant it. Unlike fast-growing crops, parsley begins slowly. Its seeds take time to germinate, sometimes requiring several weeks before growth appears. If planted too early in cold soil, this process becomes even slower and less reliable. But in May, conditions are much more favorable. The soil is warm enough to support germination, while still mild enough to encourage steady development. With a bit of patience, delicate green shoots begin to emerge, gradually forming into dense, leafy plants. Once established, parsley becomes highly reliable. It develops into thick clusters of rich green leaves, adding freshness and color to your garden. Unlike many herbs that fade quickly, parsley continues producing over an extended period, providing a steady supply whenever needed. Regular harvesting actually improves its growth. The more you cut, the more it produces, sending out new stems and maintaining a full, bushy shape. This makes it ideal for continuous use in the kitchen, whether for garnishing or everyday cooking. But parsley offers more than just flavor. It also supports the garden ecosystem. If allowed to flower, it produces small blooms that attract beneficial insects such as hoverflies and predatory wasps. These insects help control pests naturally, contributing to a healthier garden balance. Parsley is also quite adaptable. It tolerates cooler temperatures better than many herbs, grows well in partial shade, and thrives in both garden beds and containers. With regular watering and occasional feeding, it continues producing for months. There is a quiet reliability to parsley. It doesn't dominate the garden or produce dramatic harvests. Instead, it offers something steady, a consistent source of freshness that enhances everyday meals. Plant it in May, and it becomes a long-lasting, dependable part of your garden, simple, reliable, and always productive. 3. Cucumbers. Cucumbers are one of the most rewarding crops to plant in May, and getting the timing right can be the difference between slow, struggling plants and a vigorous, highly productive harvest. These plants rely heavily on warmth. It's more than just a preference. Cucumbers require warm soil to grow properly. If you plant them too early when the ground is still cool and damp, the seeds may sit inactive for a long time. In some cases, they can even rot before they manage to sprout. But by May, the soil has warmed enough to create ideal conditions. That's when cucumbers truly take off. In warm soil, seeds germinate quickly and evenly. Within just a few days, strong green shoots emerge, pushing through the surface with noticeable energy. Once they begin growing, they don't slow down. They develop rapidly. And that speed is one of their greatest advantages. Cucumbers are vigorous growers that can quickly transform from small seedlings into long, spreading vines. What makes them especially efficient is their natural climbing habit. Using thin tendrils, they latch onto nearby supports and grow upward with ease. Give them a trellis, netting, or any vertical support, and they will climb immediately. Growing cucumbers vertically provides several important benefits. It saves space, allowing you to grow more plants in a limited area. It also improves airflow around the vines, which helps reduce the risk of disease, especially fungal issues that often occur when plants lie on the ground. And it makes harvesting much easier. Instead of searching through tangled growth, you'll find the fruits hanging cleanly and clearly, ready to be picked at the right moment. Another key strength of cucumbers is their productivity. They don't just produce once, they continue producing. After flowering begins, the plant enters a continuous cycle. New flowers appear regularly, followed by fresh fruit. The more often you harvest, the more the plant keeps producing. What starts as just a few plants can quickly turn into a steady supply that lasts throughout the summer. To keep cucumbers thriving, consistency is essential. They need evenly moist soil, not too dry, but not overly wet either. Regular watering helps produce smooth, well-formed fruit and prevents bitterness. Combined with warmth and proper support, this allows the plants to perform at their best. Plant them in May when conditions are ideal, and they will reward you with rapid growth, strong vines, and continuous harvests all season long. 4. Corn is a crop that depends on warmth, and when planted at the right moment, it becomes one of the most impressive plants in the garden. May is when everything aligns. Corn requires consistently warm soil to germinate properly. If planted too early when the ground is still cool, seeds may remain dormant for extended periods or sprout unevenly. This often leads to weak plants that never fully develop. But when planted in May, the conditions are finally right. The soil is warm, the days are longer, and sunlight is more consistent. Under these conditions, corn germinates evenly and begins growing with strength. And once it starts, it grows quickly. Corn develops upward at an impressive rate. In a short time, small shoots turn into tall, sturdy stalks that bring structure to the garden. Their height creates natural shade, while their strong form adds presence and balance to the space. However, corn has one unique requirement that sets it apart from many other crops. It relies on wind for pollination. Each plant produces tassels at the top and silks along the developing ears. For kernels to form properly, pollen must fall from the tassels onto the silks. This process works best when plants are grouped closely together. That's why corn should be planted in blocks rather than long rows. When grown in blocks, pollen moves more effectively between plants, improving pollination and resulting in fuller, better developed ears. Poor spacing can lead to uneven or incomplete kernel formation. As the plants mature, corn becomes visually striking. Tall green stalks sway gently in the breeze, their leaves rustling softly. Tassels release pollen from above while ears begin forming along the sides. It's a plant that adds both productivity and atmosphere to the garden. To grow successfully, corn needs full sunlight, consistent watering, and enough space for proper airflow and root development. When these conditions are met, it grows vigorously and produces full, satisfying ears. Once again, timing is essential. Plant too early, and cold soil slows everything down. Plant in May, and corn grows quickly, pollinates effectively, and becomes a strong, productive, and visually impressive part of your garden. 5. Carrots. Carrots may seem like a simple crop, but when planted at the right time, especially in May, they prove just how reliable and rewarding they can be. The real story happens underground. Carrot seeds are very small and sensitive, responding closely to both soil temperature and moisture. If planted too early when the soil is still cold and inconsistent, they often germinate slowly and unevenly. This can lead to patchy rows, irregular spacing, and uneven growth that continues throughout the season. But by May, conditions begin to shift. The soil warms gradually and becomes more stable, creating an ideal environment for germination. Instead of uncertainty, you'll start to see neat, even rows of delicate green shoots emerging together, an early sign of healthy development. And that strong start is important. Because carrots grow beneath the surface, their success depends entirely on soil quality. They need loose, deep, well-prepared soil that allows their roots to grow freely. If the soil is compacted, heavy, or filled with stones, the roots may become twisted, forked, or underdeveloped. But when the soil is properly prepared, the results are impressive. The roots grow straight, smooth, and evenly shaped, just as you would expect from a perfect harvest. Planting in May also gives carrots a valuable advantage: time. They are able to establish themselves in warm but still moderate conditions before the intense heat of summer arrives. This helps them develop stronger roots early on, making them more resilient as temperatures rise. Once established, carrots are easy to manage. They don't require constant attention, just consistent moisture to keep the roots tender and prevent bitterness. Occasional thinning is also important, giving each plant enough space to grow properly and reach full size. And then comes the most satisfying part: harvest. Pulling a carrot from the soil is a simple but deeply rewarding experience. What was hidden beneath the ground suddenly appears, fresh, vibrant, and full of life. Each one feels like a small discovery, the result of patience and care. Plant them in May, and you set the foundation for a smooth growing season and a harvest that is both enjoyable and delicious. 6. Zucchini. If any plant represents abundance in the garden, it's zucchini, and May is when it performs at its best. Zucchini thrives in warm, stable conditions. When planted in cold soil, growth slows, roots struggle to establish, and the plant never reaches its full potential. But when planted in May, everything changes. The soil is warm, the days are longer, and the plant can grow quickly and confidently. From the very beginning, zucchini shows its strength. The seeds germinate rapidly in warm soil, often sprouting within just a few days. Soon after, the plant begins expanding at an impressive rate. Large, broad leaves spread outward, forming a dense canopy that covers the soil. But this canopy is more than just visual. It plays an important role in the plant's success. The wide leaves shade the soil, helping retain moisture and reduce evaporation. They also block sunlight from reaching weeds, limiting their growth. In doing so, zucchini creates its own small, stable environment, a microclimate that supports steady growth and reduces competition. As the plant matures, it begins producing its distinctive flowers. Large, bright yellow blooms open wide, attracting pollinators and marking the beginning of fruit formation. These flowers are not just decorative, they are essential. Once pollinated, they quickly develop into fruit. And from that point forward, zucchini grows quickly. Very quickly. The fruits can increase in size dramatically within just a day or two. Because of this rapid growth, regular harvesting becomes essential. If left too long, zucchini can become oversized and lose its tenderness. But frequent harvesting does more than improve quality. It encourages even more production. Zucchini responds well to attention. The more you harvest, the more energy the plant directs into producing new flowers and fruit. A single healthy plant can provide a continuous supply, often producing more than expected, enough for fresh meals, storage, or sharing. Despite its productivity, zucchini is easy to grow. It requires warmth, consistent watering, and enough space to spread. With these simple conditions, it becomes one of the most dependable and rewarding crops in the garden. Planted too early and cold soil limits its growth. Planted in May, and it transforms into a fast-growing, highly productive plant that continues to provide day after day throughout the season. 7. Beans. Beans are among the most dependable and rewarding crops you can grow, and when planted in May, they truly reach their full potential. Timing matters more than it might seem. Beans are highly sensitive to cold soil. If you plant them too early while the ground is still cool and inconsistent, the seeds often struggle to develop properly. Germination can be slow, uneven, or may fail altogether. In damp, chilly conditions, seeds can even rot before they sprout. But by May, conditions shift. The soil becomes consistently warm, creating an ideal environment for growth. And that's when beans begin to thrive. In warm soil, seeds germinate quickly and evenly. Within just a few days, strong seedlings emerge, pushing upward with steady, confident growth. From that moment on, development feels smooth and almost effortless. There are two main types of beans, each offering its own growing style. Bush beans are compact and quick to mature. They stay low to the ground and produce their crop over a short period, giving you a concentrated harvest all at once. This makes them perfect for fresh use, preserving, or freezing. Pole beans, on the other hand, are natural climbers. With support such as poles, trellises, or netting, they grow upward rapidly. Instead of producing all at once, they provide a steady harvest over a longer period. As long as you continue picking, they continue producing. Both types benefit greatly from being planted in May, when conditions support strong establishment and consistent growth. But beans offer more than just a harvest. They improve your soil. Beans belong to a group of plants that fix nitrogen. Through a natural partnership with soil bacteria, they capture nitrogen from the air and convert it into a form that enriches the soil. This process naturally increases fertility without the need for extra fertilizers. So while you're harvesting fresh, tender beans, you're also preparing your soil for future crops. In terms of care, beans are simple and low maintenance. They need sunlight, moderate watering, and, especially for climbing varieties, something to grow on. Beyond that, they require very little attention, yet they give a great deal in return. Fast growth, reliable harvests, improved soil health, and minimal effort. Few crops offer such a complete balance. Plant them in May, and they will reward you with both abundant yields and healthier soil for the seasons ahead. 8. Sunflowers. Sunflowers are often appreciated for their beauty, but their role in the garden goes far beyond how they look. And May is when their growth truly begins. Sunflowers thrive in warm soil, and like many summer crops, they respond quickly when conditions are right. If planted too early, they may struggle to establish. But in May, with rising temperatures and longer days, they germinate quickly and grow with strength. From the very beginning, they show resilience. Seedlings emerge strong and upright, and soon they begin their rapid upward growth. Sunflowers are known for their impressive height, and under the right conditions, they can become some of the tallest plants in the garden, adding both structure and visual impact. Their thick stems provide stability, while their large leaves capture sunlight efficiently, fueling steady and vigorous development. But their true value becomes clear as they mature. Their large blooms attract life. Bees arrive first, followed by butterflies and other beneficial insects. This increased activity improves pollination throughout the garden, benefiting nearby plants as well. Vegetables and fruits often produce better yields when pollinators are active and abundant. In this way, sunflowers quietly support the entire garden ecosystem. Some varieties offer an added benefit: edible seeds. As the flowers mature, they develop seed heads filled with nutrient-rich kernels. These can be harvested for food, saved for planting, or left for birds, adding even more life to your garden. Despite their size and impact, sunflowers are easy to grow. They tolerate heat well, adapt to a variety of soil conditions, and require very little care once established. With sunlight and occasional watering, they continue growing steadily, reaching higher each day. By mid to late summer, they reach their peak. Tall stems topped with bright golden blooms rise above the rest of the garden, catching the light and drawing attention. They don't just fill space, they define it. Plant them in May, and you do more than grow flowers. You add height, attract beneficial insects, support your garden's ecosystem, and transform your space into something vibrant, dynamic, and full of life.